The Klutch Kickers $100,000 Drift Series, a one-of-a-kind series built by the drivers, for the drivers, that brings the fun back into competitive drifting. A place where pros, and all in between come together to have fun, make money, and evolve the sport of drifting forever. Starting back in 2018, Klutch Kickers developed a team with a dream to take drifting to the next level. While traveling all over the U.S., hitting event after event, they quickly learned how expensive this hobby-turned-career was for any team or individual. The $100,000 Drift Series was created in order to reward those drivers that spent all their time and money in a sport they are willing to do for free. After 2 successful seasons, and with over $250,000 in payouts to podium drivers across the U.S. and around the globe, Klutch Kickers was faced with their first true test. A test that could potentially put a complete stop to all the hard work and momentum they've created. Outside of Klutch Kickers' control, the beloved track in Holt, Florida, better known as Drifter's Paradise, was forced to close down. This took the community by surprise and was heartbreaking for all those who experienced the memories the track provided. Klutch Kickers has been fueled by the love of the sport and the desire to make drifting better than ever. Unfortunately, love and desire don't pay the bills, but quitting is not an option. Klutch Kickers knew they had created something special within the community and had to keep fighting to keep it going. What will Klutch Kickers do now? This couldn't be the end. The love for the sport was too deep to stop here. Even though many had thought this would be the end of Klutch Kickers, the crew saw this as a new beginning. The original goal of taking the series to a new level and expanding to new venues was now a reality. After hearing their story, Cletus McFarland and the Freedom Factory team approached Klutch Kickers with open arms, giving them a place to call home for 2022 season, an exciting offer. And with that being said, Klutch Kickers is staying in Florida. And with your support, you can help them continue to take things to the next level for drivers, fans, and everyone in the community. So hold on tight, because Season 3 of the Klutch Kickers $100,000 Drift Series, hosted at the Freedom Factory, will go down in history as one of the most exciting years for the drift community.